Welcome to YouTube, and thank you for joining us once again. Today, we're diving deep into something that's going to define the future, the 2026 battery technology. This isn't just about a simple upgrade, this is a complete revolution that's going to reshape how we power everything from smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles and even entire cities. Now, let's break down what makes the 2026 battery truly next level. First of all, this battery is not just more powerful, it's smarter, faster charging, longer lasting, and safer than anything we've had before. Built with advanced solid-state materials and graphene-based layers, the 2026 battery eliminates the risks associated with traditional lithium-ion batteries. No more overheating, no swelling, and most importantly, no more waiting hours for a full charge. We're talking about a battery that charges from 0 to 100% in under 15 minutes. Another secret behind the magic of the 2026 battery lies in its energy density. It stores nearly twice the amount of power compared to previous generations, which means your devices and electric cars can run longer on a single charge. This is especially important for electric vehicles, where range anxiety has been a major concern. With this new battery, we're looking at EVs with ranges of over 800 kilometers on a single charge, and that's without increasing battery size. What's more, this battery has been designed with sustainability in mind. It uses fewer rare earth metals, is easier to recycle, and produces less waste during manufacturing. Big tech companies and car manufacturers are already jumping on board to integrate the 2026 battery into their upcoming products, and we're going to see a massive shift in the market because of it. Another groundbreaking feature is its self-healing capability. Yes, the 2026 battery can repair micro cracks over time, extending its lifespan significantly. This means you won't have to replace your batteries every couple of years. One pack can last more than a decade with consistent performance. Even in extreme weather, whether it's freezing cold or blazing hot, the 2026 battery maintains its efficiency. That's a game changer for people living in harsh environments where battery life usually takes a big hit. And for those of you worried about performance drop over time, this battery retains over 95% of its capacity even after 2000 charge cycles. But what's perhaps most exciting is how this technology opens the door to entirely new possibilities. Think flying electric taxis, off-grid homes, ultra-portable medical devices, and next-gen drones, all powered by this compact and ultra-efficient energy source. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a car lover, or just someone who's tired of batteries dying at the worst time, the 2026 battery is something to get excited about. It's more than just a product, it's the key to the future. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of a whole new energy era. Live, subscribe.